Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making these delicious crispy chicken wings. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for your support. We would need chicken wings, garlic and ginger mix, seasoning cube, and white pepper, thyme, black pepper, and some salt, pinch of curry. Mix well. Cover and leave for 10 minutes. After that, steam on low heat with no water. And if you're still watching this video, don't forget to click that like button. Let it cold. Do you see how yummy these chicken wings looks already? While the chicken is cooling down, you will need some eggs. You need to whisk it well. If you want, you can use a fork, but you can also use something else. So here we have the ingredients. Go right ahead and dip the chicken in the whisked egg. After that, you will need some breadcrumbs and dip it in there too. Preheat your oil and put your chicken inside. You're going to be repeating this process until all of the chicken is done. And as you see here, we have put one more chicken inside. Wow, look at how crispy and yummy the chicken looks. I can't wait to eat it. When it is done frying, transfer your chicken in a sieve. If you don't want the oil to be dripping, you can put a bowl under it. You can finish off with some salad and some sauce. But what you see here is ketchup and mayonnaise. Wow, look at how the chicken turns out. What do you think about the outcome? Write in the comment section. What do you think the J stands for? Write in the comment section. I can't wait to try it. Let's dig in. It's so yummy. Look how the chicken wings are disappearing one after the other. We loved it. Just look, they're almost finished already. If you did like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thanks for your support.